And welcome to this new video. And in this video I am going to talk about how can we start our speaking practice if we don't know much knowledge about English language, about English grammar, because most of the time most of the learners do like that. I don't have much knowledge about English language, so I should not speak English language. I am not able to speak English language. That's why I today I will not speak English language. In the future, when I will have a lot of knowledge about English language, so I will start at that time. So most of the learners do like this. So and from this video I am going to give you some tips. I am going to um, suggest you how can you start your speaking practice from today if you don't have much knowledge about English language. So friends, this video is going to be very helpful and very knowledgeable for every learners who are learning English language. And please stay tuned till the very end of the video. And if you are new here, please do not forget like, share and subscribe to this channel. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. And so friends, when it comes to learning English language, when we think about learning English language, there are four types of practice we must do, and we do we do everyday listening practice, because this is the part of learning English language. uh, we are suggested that if we want to speak English language, so we must listen every day some English content video. So we do like this, we listen every day any English content videos, means we are doing our listening practice every day. And second part is reading practice. If we want to speak English language, so you must know how to read English content video. You must know how to pronunciation anything in English language. So means if we are reading anything in English language, means we are doing our reading practice. Okay. So and the third one is writing practice. And we are suggested that if we want to speak English language, so we must do our writing practice. If we are writing anything, means we are doing our writing practice, because writing is the most powerful practice if we want to speak English language. Because after writing, we know about that words, how they are made. So if we are doing our writing practice, so this all three practice we are doing regularly. But when it comes to speak English language, we think that now in this time I don't have much knowledge about English language. I don't know a lot of things about English grammar, so I am not able to speak English language today. I will start when I will be fine in this language, when I will feel comfortable in this language, so I will start that time, from that time. So when it comes to speak English language, when it comes to practice of speaking English, we think that, and we procrastinate. We want to speak English language, but when it comes to speak English language, we don't do speaking practice. Yes, we are doing our listening practice, we are doing our reading practice, we are doing our writing practice, but we are not doing our speaking practice. So we are not going to learn English language, because there are four part of learning English language. And I can say that your speaking practice is, your speaking practice are equal your three part of learning English language. Means you are writing, you are reading, and you are listening. If you are doing this three practice every day, but you are not doing your speaking practice every day, means you are not doing anything for learning English language. Because our main purpose is speaking English language. We all want to speak English language, but when we if we are not doing our speaking practice, so means we are not going to learn English language. So friend, this is the main thing that every learners do when they are in initial days of this journey. I know it very well, because I used to do like this. But uh, from few months I am doing my speaking practice regularly, and I felt that when I used to do like this, so what I was in that time and what am I nowadays. So I thought that I must create a video on this topic, and you must do your speaking practice every day, because your main purpose is speaking English. Your main purpose is not writing English. Your main purpose is not listening English. Your main purpose is speaking English. But we if you are not doing your speaking practice, means you are not doing anything. So this is the thing that I wanted to tell you. Please start your speaking English. Don't think that I don't have much knowledge, I don't know a lot of things about English language, so I should not speak English language today. I will start speaking English language when I will be when I will have a lot of knowledge about English language, so I will start at that time. I means you are waiting right time, and means you are waiting that if you will be fine in this language, you will start speaking English. So you are not going to learn English language. Yes, I can say that you will have knowledge about English grammar, you will have knowledge about English language, but you don't know how to speak English language. And you want to speak English language, means you will have to do your speaking practice every day. What you need to do, you need to take all that words in English language, whatever you know about English language, you need to take those all words in your tongue, and you have to speak those all words. You have to be habitual for this language, and after doing like this, you can learn English language and you can speak English language. And you don't need to wait right time, because this is your right time. I always say, don't wait right time, this is your right time, and you can start from today, you can start from now. Please start speaking English language. So friends, this is the main purpose of this video, that from this video I wanted to give you some tips. I just wanted to tell you that do not procrastinate of speaking English language. If you are doing three kinds of practice every day, but if you are not doing your speaking practice, means you are not doing anything for this language. I can say that. So friends, I hope have learned something new from this video, and meet in the next video. Till then, bye.